So, what exactly makes a brand rank in the business they're known for? Well, there are lots of factors involved. For today, we'll be looking into Binance as a case study and understanding how did Binance become the number one crypto brand in the world today. Now, this should also help you in your quest to finding the right exchange as a beginner or as a newbie in this crypto space. Well, a quick introduction. Binance launched in 2017 and quickly gained traction and became a dominant force in the crypto space under the leadership of Chapeng Zhao CZ and also with the support of A. Binance, the co-founder. Now, currently as of recording, Binance CEO is Richard Teng. A big shout out. Now, after the launch of Binance 2017, the BNB token was introduced, which saw lots of growth in the ecosystem and also provided incentives to users. Thereafter, the BNB chain was also launched and introduced, which gave projects, founders, developers the opportunity to build utility-driven projects and also make impact in the ecosystem. That saw lots of adoption in the crypto space. And next up, we have the rise to the top where Binance introduced lots of strategic partnerships from entities, individuals, projects, as well as individuals. Now, KOLs also got a lot of partnership, and these are Binance increases exposure and awareness. Now, thereafter, innovation and adaptability. The exchange continuously introduce new features and services to stay ahead of the competition. Now, the cool thing about Binance is that there are lots of features on the Binance platform, from decentralized features to centralized features. So, a wide variety of features on the platform that are all beginner friendly. Now, the global expansion, Binance aggressively expand into international markets and also solidify its position. Now, before the emergence of Binance, lots of individuals from third world countries were unable to access crypto services, were also unable to access financial inclusivity services. So Binance brought about this remote access and also brought lots of opportunities for users from Africa, from lots of most parts of the world. Now, the problem, as with all businesses or with all platforms, is that this market volatility, the fact that there's this bull market and bear market, saw lots of issues for users who the volatility in the market affected them. There also early stage adoption and also education, understanding what the tech or blockchain was all about. Now, the goals Binance are to focus on educational focus. So currently, Binance YouTube channel just hit 1 million subscribers, guys. So a big shout out to the team, big shout out to everyone. You can see here on my screen, we have 1 million subscribers and over 1,000 videos created so far. Now, here you can see AMA sessions, beginner trading tutorials from crypto trading, spot trading. We have tutorials for users who just want to hold their assets, who just want to use whichever services. So AMAs, live sessions, and more, as well as giveaway opportunities or promotions or earning opportunities for users. Now, big shout out to the team. You want to make sure you're following Binance on YouTube. If you're not, make sure you're following them. Now, these are some of the initiative, and as of recording, Binance is the only or the leading YouTube channel, leading crypto exchange with the highest number of followers on YouTube. 1 million subscribers, guys. That's massive. The next strategic partnership collaborations, high profile figures such as Cristiano Ronaldo. So guys, brought engagement. Now Cristiano Ronaldo currently has over 63 million followers on his YouTube channel, which is massive, and this partnership is also paving way for more exposure for Binance community. Now you can also see community-centric approach, Binance feedback. Now, one cool thing about Binance is Binance, when you talk about Binance, you talk about a problem-solving exchange. Now, Binance is one of the most problem-solving exchange in the world today, providing access and feedback to all users. Whether you're a newbie or whether you're a professional, Binance provides access to you. It says here, Binance, 1 million subscribers. The next up, user growth. As of record in June 2024, Binance just surpassed 200 million users on the platform. This means that 200 million users could feel as much as Brazil, the country Brazil, and there will still be more, or can fill lots of stadiums, could fill lots of places. It says reflecting a shift from early adopters to broader audience. This is massive for the whole Binance community and the whole crypto space. analysis. During an AMA session, Caesar was asked what makes Binance successful, and one of the examples he gave was that Binance was the very first exchange to help users retrieve non-supported tokens they sent by mistake. So if you send a token that's not supported on Binance, Binance had the opportunity or had the support to provide users with this support. So I told you guys, Binance is a problem-solving platform. So conclusion, to celebrate its achievement, Binance is launching the edutainment series on YouTube, or more edutainment series to support beginners aimed at engaging the next billion users. So Binance is hoping to become the next to get more users on the YouTube channel as well as on the platform. Now you can see here, Binance is also the most licensed crypto exchange globally, which is massive. Now, one thing you need to know, if you go over to CoinMarketCap, guys, you're able to see the rankings of exchanges from top to bottom. Now, you can see on Binance, we have trading volume about $14.5 million, average liquidity and more, VC and more. Now, the trading volume on Binance is currently when you combine the about 10 exchanges or more, about 100 exchanges, is not up to what you get on Binance. And this gives you access to liquidity on the platform, means that you can easily trade your assets. You don't need to be scared about your funds being lost. Binance assets are backed and more. So there are lots of transparency on the Binance platform, and CoinMarketCap is also another platform that Binance acquired to provide users with cryptocurrency tracking opportunities. You can get lots of information about any cryptocurrency in the crypto space through CoinMarketCap. So these are some of the features or some of the products that Binance provides for users. Now, the Binance blog, it's a Binance platform. Get access to Binance Square, Binance Academy to learn, Binance Research, Binance Blog. So there are lots of opportunities here. Binance also has a charity foundation which gives out support to individuals plagued by natural disasters and more. So these are some of the opportunities that has made Binance a leading crypto brand. So it's more than just about trading. Some users that do not have a Binance account on Binance have been able to benefit from Binance through these charity opportunities. So there are lots of opportunities on Binance. You can also check out these initiative here. There's a dedicated article here. Top 10 country viewership on the YouTube channel. We have Russia, India, Turkey, Brazil. So big shout out to users from these countries and everyone supporting the dream of Satoshi Nakamoto and more. Now you could also want to make sure you're following Binance on official account on X at Binance, where they have about 13.1 million followers, so you don't miss out on any updates and opportunities coming your way. You also want to make sure that you all stay tuned for more opportunities, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section, and share your thoughts, guys. Let's hear what you think about Binance, and make sure you open an account and with the link in the description box, guys. Peace out and one love, guys.